Hey everybody, this is Mark. I just want to show you all something I learned that could save you a lot of time because it took me a while to figure out. Um, so I was creating a change set in a sandbox and I created some custom fields and I made the custom fields visible in the sandbox. And then I deployed the change set. And then when I went to the production org, the fields that I created, the field accessibility was hidden. And I was really confused because in the change set and in the sandbox, I'd made the fields visible to all profiles. And I didn't realize that in the change set, you have to go down here and you have to add all of the profiles in for it to carry over into the production org. If not, the field accessibility won't carry over into the production org, and Salesforce is going to hide them by default. And so just a little tip, if you didn't know this already,